In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right beauty camera app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right beauty camera app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this Play Store app. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. And then you should land on this page. Go ahead and log in to your account using your Gmail. For my case, I'm already logged in. Here now, you should see a search bar on top here, or if you can't see a search bar here, go down below and find a search icon. Tap on it and then search for your app by name. So I'll search beauty camera and then tap on the search icon here. And you can see we have a lot of beauty camera app. Now we are looking for this beauty camera app. Go ahead and tap on this, and to know that it's the right app, make sure it is from Leopard v7. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.6 from over 125,000 reviews, and currently the file size is 53 MBs and it has over 50 million downloads. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of beauty camera app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can launch it directly from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see your beauty camera app here. If you tap on it, this is the welcoming interface. Now you can proceed from here to start using this camera app. So that's how you can install the right beauty camera app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.